So when you first open the trailer, all the cushions will be here on the ground. It's important that they are on the ground because they need to be lower than this level here. So make sure you haven't got anything above this track, otherwise this rear bed will not slide in. So let's have a look at how the cushion placement goes. So firstly, we'll take off these ones. These would stay here if you wanted this to be a full lounge sleeping area. We'll take these off for the minute. They cover the table. Okay, so firstly, this shorter cushion here goes into the corner. So little trick, it's shorter here, so this is the top, longer here, so that's the bottom. So that's the first one. And also this doesn't have Velcro, and this has Velcro. So that's your first cushion. Then your next cushion will again have Velcro on each side. So that slides in there. Then we have our corners. So one corner there, then a flat back one here, and then our other corner around here, and then the final cushion comes along this space here. So that's the full lounge setup here. We haven't extended the table yet, we'll show you that in a minute. So that's nice and comfortable. With these cushions here, you can pop them on the ground or put them in your toolbox if you're not needing them here, or if you're not needing them to be a bed at all while you're away, you could leave them at home. One little trick is if you've got people sleeping at this end but they are tall and they end up being too long for the length of the rear bed, what you could do, you could take this cushion off here, move this to the side, and you could use these cushions here to just sit them down . So we'll move these ones to the other side for now. And this seat here, you could grab that and put that across there. Now you've just raised the height of the mattress so that the people sleeping would have head here and feet out here.